profits. Basically, high ticket PDF profit help you to create ebooks in any of the topic. So basically, this software help you to create PDF files, ebooks, which is a convertible ebook. You can upload any of the social media platform, and you can monetize them by uploading any social media, such as there is a plenty of the PDF uploader, or you can use for your businesses, such as a free giveaway, and there is a lots of other platform you can use it for the PDF selling. So basically, just embed your affiliate link inside the PDF, and this PDF will generate you the revenue over and over again and again by uploading high ticket PDF profiles. Expose this secret website. Pay us $1,000 over and over for uploading high ticket PDF files. We crashes in thanks and 17.2 billion PDF market hiding this in plain sight. This is some one of the video they are made for the explaining video. You can must watch this video. There is a $17 front end price, and there is some benefit, which is amazing benefit. You can get from the this high ticket PDF profile. So basically, you can more PDF. We can give away more than 1,000 high ticket payment. We get zero traffic needed to profit. Absolutely no extra expense involved. Literally, one click easy. Just hit upload and you are done. Did simple and no experience require. No selling, but we still get paid. And this system work on any computer, phone, or tablet. Everything is done for you on autopilot, 100% legal, ethical. Just 2 minutes or just and is to start making money. Work in any niche in any country, including USA, Canada, UK, Australia, and many more countries. We give you to done for you PDF upload giveaway for free. 180 money back guarantees. AI does the heavy lifting. Just select PDF upload and get paid giving them giveaway. This is one of the best platform which allow you to create PDF, and which is highly convertible by uploading and by sending or by sharing this PDF file. So here is some of the example. See how people are generating commission like this. $800 for $56, $733 per day by uploading the books. And best part is you don't have to write any single words. Just give the prompt this high ticket PDF. This platform generate you this entire ebook in any niche, in your niche, as per your requirement. Just access the platform, download it, and upload them free and get 1,000 dollar high ticket commission over and over. Upload and give them away for free. Just I said earlier, just upload any of the social media platform. There is a plenty of the PDF uploader platform. Upload there with embedded with the affiliate links, or you can give them free for any user via email marketing, via your social media, and embed their your affiliate link. Just people read your ebooks. If they find this ebook helpful for them, they will purchase from your affiliate link, which is embedded inside your ebook. This is incredible result got by the some of the people. They are shown inside the this website. Some of the review they are added over here. If you are struggling, they have made this is simple PDF maker, which is help you to create PDF in your niche, in your which in your niche actually. So this is one of these good tool which help you to make sales using the PDF. They offer some of the bonuses if you purchase from their PDF high ticket PDF profit software. They giving you some soft profit, sorry, bonuses for the people who is purchased for the this book. Just here the bonuses, everything is need to included. One click monetization, and this is some of the upsells, and here is the bonuses. You are, see, this is throwing bonuses of the $5,000, which is a day jump start, 0 to 500 day in 30 days, 486 per day set forget and traffic system, 30 days list of explosion income, bonus 5 60-second funnel profit mastery. This is some of this bonus which is they offer you if you purchase their front end offer. And there is a multiple upsell and downsell as well there, but if you like this product really helpful for you, then go ahead with the upsell or downsell as per your requirement. But today is $70 is the fronted price. You can go and buy the software. There is a affiliate link inside my description. Go and purchase from the my affiliate link. If you find helpful this, and if you find helpful this video, just go and grab the copy of the high ticket PDF and take advantage of the additional bonus which is offered by the vendor. Thank you very much for the this watching